Early childhood education is such an important piece of our community, and it is really vital that we make those long-term investments in our community. It takes a lot of dedication to invest dollars in the early years of a child's life, when it may be years before we see that pay off. But as a community foundation, we know that's where our dollars can have the most impact long-term in those individual lives, but also ultimately for the makeup of our community. But to do that, it takes a lot of partners. None of us can do it alone, and we are fortunate with Central Kentucky Community Foundation to work with so many partners in our community who come together, bring our resources, and together make projects and initiatives in this area that are so much bigger and have so much more impact than they could on their own. One example is our Get Ready program that we started 4 years ago to bring families together around learning and continuing that learning environment in their home, both providing educational experiences for children and helping parents see how they can do that together. Every year we have in excess of 10 community partners who come together to help make that project be a success in our community.